Malit here from ZapDigits. Today we are going to connect your first data source to ZapDigits and create your dashboard basically using this first data source. You can just click on the left side data source menu and search for the data source you like. Here you can see search console, and you just need to click on connect search console, give the permission. You will be redirected back to the data source page, and if I search for the search console again, you see it is connected now. Go back to the dashboard and you can click on add metrics, and here you can see list of the metrics we are supporting for search console. So I'm gonna search click queries, impressions, clicks. If I save this, you need to select an account that you want to see the data from. For example, this one is now we have only one. You can click select, and now all the accounts, the data is loaded for this single account. But if you go to the next metrics, if you want to select from different account, you can also do that. What you can do, you can also edit, and you can change the sizes of all the metrics, and you can move it around, or you can change the titles, or you can change the subtitle, and also you can go into presentation mode, or you can share, or you can automate this dashboard.